I'm headed down to Secession Hill. We got cannons going off down here. Blowing taps, it sounds like. Alright, I'll get more. See the smoke from the cannons that went off? Alright, thank you. Secession Hill, y'all. Alright, so what happened here is the last meeting of secession took place here before the Civil War was started. Our federal government was corrupt, but because they won the war, we now have a corrupt government. We're all citizens, or they call us citizens. A citizen is a person owned by the government. So that means you're a freaking slave of your own government. We own this government. It doesn't own us, but it treats us like we're citizens. They call us citizens, they treat us like citizens.
Shot right there.
Right. I talked to the guys. I got film when it was in this truck. And that's the grave of the unknown soldier from Alabama, y'all. But I don't know how they found him over there. This place was overgrown with weeds. That would have been in somebody's backyard. There's the driveway for the house. There would have been houses all up and down the street back in those days. Alright, thank you. See that flag with the white stripe around it? That's the actual rebel flag. It's a flag designed by the guy from South Carolina. You want to walk over and get closer in here?
I don't want to leave my bike right now. I'll ride my bike.
transported by train to a hospital third interview result. Granddaddy Bill was proud of his service during the war, and then it was only if you asked him a question about it. So what he was going to tell you about how he managed to get through the war. His story speaks to the faith and the faith of my great-grandmother and for her love for her son. It wasn't very old when she passed away, but I do remember her. She used to write beautiful poetry, and she wrote about the heartbreak of losing two babies. I still have a bookmark that she lovingly crafted and pasteboard and construction paper for Christmas in December 1973.
Oh, you're all right.
Abhor that which is evil, cleave to that which is good. I also saw the strength and southern pride in my grandmothers and my mother. It was still enormous. And of course, the definition is still Magnolia, in the southern U.S. A woman who embodies both grace and strength and uncommon fortitude. Recently, I read an article titled Southern Women.
How are y'all today? Hey.
The expectations. These vary some, but all follow the same basic template, which is fundamentally, no matter what the circumstance, Southern women make the effort. Southern women are caretakers. Southern women are willing to give, be it time, hugs, or advice. Southern women listen, and we talk, and we laugh without apology. Southern women are a proud lot. Amen? Southern women know how to bake a funeral casserole.
Thank you.
To accomplish our commitment to our organization. This
Put me in command, so all I gotta do is run my mouth. Hold on, boys. Gun number 1, cease fire and secure your piece.
All right, they're loading up now. Thank you.